Alright, welcome to my how-to presentation. It's Rena, if you couldn't tell by my name there. Alright, objective number 1. Here's the unit circle, and to explain this better, we're going to hop right over here to Cami. And first things first, each of these lines are at a different angle and a different radian. The radians are the angle times, so if it's an angle, it is the angle. So let's go 30 times pi over 180. That makes radian measure. And that is all the way around the circle for 360 degrees. And then right here, we got your x and your y that it would be plotted at on the coordinate grid. This being 0, 0. And then we got 490-degree angles here. Womp, 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 womp. And they all land in different coordinates. Coordinate 1, your x and y's are both going to be positive. And coordinate 2, your x is going to be negative and your y is going to be positive. And coordinate number 3, your x and your y are both going to be negative because they're down. And pretend this looks like a y. Yeah. Alright, and then in quadrant number 4, you got a positive x and a negative y. And that is your unit circle for the most part. We interrupt right now to show you a cheesy math joke. Why shouldn't you let advanced math imitate you? Or intimidate you? It's really easy as pie. Ha 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 ha. Alright, and back here we are. Alright, recite the 6 trigonometric ratios. Alright, you got sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant, and cotangent. And sine is equal to y over r, cosine is equal to x over r, tangent is equal to the x over the y, the secant is equal to the r over the y, the secant or cosecant is equal to the r over the x, and the cotangent is y over the x. Sweet. Alright, objective number 3. We're going to come here and we're going to explain 3 problems with you. Alrighty. Load it up here. Alright, so your tangent, is equal. Ooh, way too big. Whoop. Go on. Your tangent of theta is equal to the x over the y. So you look at your unit circle, and wherever the radian measure is pi, that is also 180 degrees. It is -1, 0 is your coordinates, and so you know that it would be -1 over 0, which can't happen, so that is equal to 0, I think, or undefined. Alright, then coming over here, this is the same as a 60-degree angle, or the same as 1/2 by square root of 3 over 2, and to divide 1/2 divided by square root of 3 over 2, we're just gonna do 1/2 times 2 over the square root of 3. Those cancel out, so it's 1 over square root of 3. And to rationalize that, you just multiply it, and you get square root of 3 over 3 for your answer. Alright, scoot over this way, and we got the sine of 7 pi over 6, which is a 210-degree angle, and the coordinates for that are negative square roots of 3 over 2, and your y is negative 1 over 2. So on the unit circle, we know that your r is equal to 1 and the sine is y over 1. So basically all it is your y, which is negative 1/2. And that's your video for me. We can go back to my slideshow and yeah, bye. I miss you.